Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I have something special to share with you because I am going to start off with an unboxing. I don't do them that often, so I was really excited to actually receive this beautiful starter kit from pinkgellac. And yes, this is a collaboration. I will send out this kit as well as the collection that I will be sharing a little later in this footage through PR. So yeah, I also have a discount code if you want to check it out. I will link it down below as well. Yeah, pinkgellac is a brand. I have loved them for years. They have sent me their collections for years as well. I'm a big fan. They are safe to use. They don't contain all the creepy like kind of ingredients you definitely don't want on your nails. They last really long and I have used their base coat and top coat as a gel polish overlay on my natural nails for years. I kid you not, I have made multiple videos on how I do so. If you want to strengthen your nails or maybe like me protect them from discoloration when using regular nail polishes. So yeah, definitely check them out if you want to. It's a great brand, great quality, and yeah, if you've been hanging out with me here for the last like 10 years almost, you know that I love this brand and I don't fool around when it comes to good brands. But yeah, I'm just unboxing all of the items that come in the starter kit. I actually never had a starter kit like this before. I had like the little tiny lamp, but this one is awesome because it is big. You can use it for pedicures as well. And here one of my cats was actually just strolling around getting in frame, getting his 1 minute of fame. But yeah, the box contains a beautiful pinkish color. It contains a base, a top coat. It contains the prep as well, which is one thing that I always use when it comes to doing my nails with the gel polishes. It also has a nice nail and cuticle oil, which I also love using whenever I have done like my refill for my overlay. It has a little like manicure kit as well as one of those swatch wheels, which is really handy, especially if you have a ton of different colors already and you just want to have a nice overview of what you actually have in your collection. You can use that wheel to swatch it. It has a nice like double-ended nail file, a 100/180 grit, so that's perfect for natural nails, and a little buffer block, some wooden like sticks as well. It's a nice kit. Like seriously, it is very complete. If you're like, I don't know what to get to start off, definitely go for one of these starter kits. You can choose this specific one. You can also choose one that contains multiple colors. You can pick the colors as well, which is pretty nice. I think you can pick up to like 10 shades or something, like a ton. It also comes with a cleaner as well as a gel polish remover and of course the LED light. This is the large one. It is a super pretty pink color. I think they also have a neon pink, or at least they used to have one. I'm not quite sure if they still have it in their collection, but that one is really nice as well. But I think aesthetic wise, this light pink one or maybe even a white one suits a lot of different nail work desks. It comes with your like electrical plug-in thingamabobber, all that jazz. You can actually remove the bottom of the light as well if you need to clean it or something like that, or if you are doing a pedicure, you can just place the top part with the lights on top of your feet. Yeah, I really like it. It is actually quite easy to assemble back again, like together again as well. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just full on positivity in this video because I was just so excited to get this starter kit. I've been using their products for ages, but I've always used the tiny lamp, which is really convenient if you don't have like a lot of space on your work desk, or if you don't do this like for videos or work or anything like that. A small light is the way to go. But if you want to do pedicures like I want to do as well, this bigger light is great. Here I'm just checking out all of the stuff that came into this kit. I'm really thankful that they sent this out to me because, as I mentioned, like I just don't know why I never got a kit like this. It's just really handy. The only thing I have to mention is that the light, like the bottom part, doesn't have a reflective like a mirror part that the smaller light does have. So yeah, that's just a little side note I wanted to add. Sometimes it's really handy to have that like reflection part on the bottom, especially if you work with like tips or something. It's easier to have that, but for me personally, I don't mind it as much. But yeah, here I'm already showing you the 3 colors that I will be swatching, because those are from the Pretty Pearlesque collection. And this collection was just simply sent out to me through their regular PR. I've been getting their like collections for years and years. I have such a big pinkgellac collection myself, like stash. It is insane. I don't even know how many bottles I have, but there are a lot. And I have to say, I always really like their collections because they are very diverse, but they are very opaque as well, which is something that I love. You don't want to like spend a ton of time doing your nails, especially if you're a mom like me. As you guys know, I actually have 2 beautiful small boys, but I don't have a ton of time to actually sit down and do my nails. So you want your polishes and your products to be really opaque fast. So yeah, I was really happy to see that the colors from this collection were actually pretty decent as well. But I'm just going to swatch these on my little swatch sticks. I've had a ton of different ones, but I just decided to do it on the pale pink ones because it just matches the vibe a lot. So here I'm swatching the first color, which is 490 Bare Rose. It is such a beautiful pale rosy pink. I love it. It is gorgeous. For the record, you have to cure these layers of gel polish for a full minute in their LED lights. But yeah, it all says so on the bottle. Like, I have done so many videos on pinkgellac that I feel like it's very repetitive, but you know the drill, just cure it for the proper amount of time. But yeah, Bare Rose, it is completely opaque within 2 coats. Like the first coat was pretty opaque already, to be honest. I love this color. It definitely suits me, as you can see from the backdrop of my videos as well. I love pink, and especially if you've been hanging out with me here on my YouTube channel for the last like decade, you know that I love a good pink. But let's just continue to the next color already. And next up is 491 Cherry Carrot. It is such a dark, vampy, luscious color. I love tones like these. I do have to mention, for some reason, you saw my cat in the beginning of this video and he was all over the place. And you know, cat hairs, you can keep on vacuuming all you want. You will never get all the hairs. So there was actually a hair really trying to like sabotage me during swatches of this color because it just kept on getting stuck. But you guys know me, I like to keep it real and like to keep it the way it is. You know, stuff happens and sometimes there's a hair in your manicure and you just have to get rid of it before curing your color. So that is what I did. But yeah, this color, it is just so gorgeous. It was actually not that bad on the first coat, even though like blood red, like cherry reds, darker tones like these, which are very vampy, they can be a little watery on the first coat, but I didn't feel like it was super patchy. I expected it to be worse, but the second coat definitely made it completely opaque. It is so beautiful. It is one of those shades that you can wear any time of like the year. It doesn't really specifically scream to me like it's a fall or a winter color. I feel like it's a very classy tone and you can just wear it whenever you want to. The third and final color from this Pretty Pearlesque collection is 492 Ivory Pearl, and this is one of those pearlescent kind of colors. You either love it or hate it, and usually I am not a big fan of pearlescent polishes, like regular polishes, gel polishes, because they tend to be really streaky. But I have to say, I have had some polishes just really previously, like last week or something, like regular polishes that I actually really liked. So I was like, I'm going to swatch this one with a very open mind and just see what it's like. Not be like upfront or like, oh, it's going to suck, because it actually didn't suck at all. It is such a beautiful color, and if you don't overwork it, you don't get a super streaky effect. It just needs a little practice and like, trust me, first up you will mess it up because you will really overwork it, but this is such a beautiful shade. Like, light touches just flow the polish onto the nail and you are perfectly set with a beautiful manicure. It is just such a nice, soft, light pink color, very wearable, definitely wearable, like with like the wedding season coming up, because I know a lot of people which are getting married like in June, in July, you know, all the upcoming nice wedding months. I think it's really, really beautiful, not only to wear as the bride-to-be, but also as a guest. I think it's very lovely, very soft, very wearable. But yeah, this was pretty much my entire new video. Definitely check out Pink Gellac. You guys know me, I've been raving about them for ages, and it's just really, really cool that they actually decided to team up with me. I have a 10% discount code. Check it out in the link down below, but you can see it on the screen as well. If you're curious into getting some polishes yourself, I will guarantee you will not be disappointed. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.